Hello and welcome to A Minute to Success and Success Quotes. I am Philip Keller. I have a quote today from me. It's about imagination. Your level of success is only ever limited by the size of your imagination. When you think about this, it rings so true. All the big achievers in life have imagined big. When we imagine big, we can become inspired, and that can help drive us on. Even if times get hard, just imagining a great result can help give us even more inspiration. So imagine big and believe in it, and you'll succeed. The bigger you imagine, the bigger the dream becomes. Couple that with belief and you'll succeed big. If you resonated with this quote, please give it a like and remember to subscribe. Please consider supporting the channel on Buy Me a Coffee. Link is in the description. Remember, life is an adventure, live it every day.